Today, we will do a different kind of video. Today, you will discover your trading style and improve yourself at becoming a better trader. Do you know why so many traders keep failing? Because they try to replicate others 100% without thinking about their personality, lifestyle, or emotional levels. This is the video about finding your trading style. There are three main trading styles. First, pattern traders, using repetitive patterns mostly based on RR entries. Second, order traders, using specific price levels based on multiple order entries. And then the session traders, using session openings, trading mostly the volatility. Now, as a trader, you must try all three trading styles and record your performances and see which one suits you the most. Let's talk about the pattern traders first. Pattern traders observe the repetitive patterns in the markets and wait for the entry. Based on a specific price action, they determine their point of interest areas for the entry. This can be any pattern that you can enjoy. What you see here is one of my most favorite patterns to trade, a combination of multiple smart money concepts. Now, the pattern traders use broker alarms so much. Once they have a POIA area to trade, they generally set an alarm right above this area. Once the alarm fires off, you are ready to trade. But setting one alarm is mostly useless. You need to set multiple alarms on multiple asset classes so you can have a higher chance of trading. This is the core of pattern traders. The good side of being a pattern trader is you can trade anything you wish for, and you'll be looking for the same patterns everywhere. However, checking all these patterns in tens of other assets can be quite troublesome. This requires high effort, discipline, and time. Pattern traders generally have a regular morning routines. You check all the assets and set your alarms. They can be day or swing traders based on their preference, but the patterns they trade always the same. The worst side of being a pattern trader is an alarm may never hit, or it can fire off while you are sleeping. There's a chance of not trading every single day. The best side of the pattern trading is, now you know that there is an A+ pattern, a pattern that you really enjoy to trade. You simply set your RR-based setup and leave the screens alone. On the other hand, RR-based trades can be tricky if you are trading the low time frames. Too many possible stop losses. How about the order traders? What kind of traders are these people? Order traders mastered order management rather than patterns. They have a large point of interest areas. They generally use Fibonacci tools, gaps, imbalances, or different kind of tools to determine some specific price levels. So they are not precision traders or snipers. Instead, they are order managers. These traders do not prefer using RR-based setups. Instead, they make small and periodic entries on certain price levels, and they dynamically manage their stop losses. They do not have hard, certain stop losses on some price levels. As you can see, simply they are orders, position, and active risk managers, giving active decisions on the go. Just like pattern traders, order traders can trade anything they wish for. You'll be looking for the same price levels, similar levels everywhere. Order traders mostly prefer specific time frames. Many order traders combine hourly and minute-based time frames, determining a good and large point of interest areas. However, placing so many orders can be quite troublesome. It can easily get out of hand and confuse you a lot. When you see order traders, you will notice that they have like crazy win rates, like 80-90% win rates. However, this is mostly an illusion. Since they have very small positions without hard stop losses, they generally tend to make small gains. But when they lose, they will lose quite a large amount. You can make like $50 every day for 2 weeks, but you can lose $5,000 in one single day with bad management of orders. Our last type is session traders. This is one of the most common traders in the world. Session traders prefer market openings, such as London or New York Open. They are generally volatility scalpers. Most common is New York Open at 9:30 a.m. You will see these crazy price movements when the market opens. Most session traders are micro scalpers. They use extremely high leverage or high amount of cash. Most use funded accounts. Scalp the charts in matter of seconds or minutes, extremely quick in and out. However, a session trader can also be a pattern or order trader at the same time. They can wait for their favorite patterns or just make multi-order entries and manage them actively. Session traders prefer to master one asset generally. The one that traded most is NQ Futures, the Nasdaq index. Biggest problem of session trading is there may or may not be a great setups or patterns at 9:30 a.m. We don't know that. Basically, you'll be trading whatever market gives you. High volatility is great for our traders because we make money when the price moves. At the same time, handling a high amount of money in 1 minute time frame is a crazy business. A mistake can cost you a lot of money. The best part of session traders is it is like a fixed part-time job. You wake up, wash your face, wait for 9:30 a.m. and trade it until 11 a.m. and you are done for the day. After 11 a.m. you are free to do whatever you wish for. So, my friends, which one are you? Are you a pattern trader? Pattern traders are relaxed and casual traders. They have no rush at all. They only trade their patterns and wait most of the time. They set RR-based trades and leave the charts. Or are you an order trader? Order traders are more position managers rather than traders actually. They manage positions and risks. They constantly watch the charts and handle the positions. They do not enjoy RR-based entries. Instead, they use dynamic orders. If not, you may be a session trader. Session traders generally see the trading as a part-time job. Open the charts at 9:30 a.m. and try to trade whatever market gives them and leave around 11 a.m. That is it for the day. Okay, have you tried them all? Have you decided yet? Please type your style on the YouTube comment section so I will know what are you. Okay folks, this is the end of a very educational and great video. For now, please take care and see you next time. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you have improved your trading skills and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You'll learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. And we will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will also learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. You will discover the yo-yo strategy and the rally strategy with one free indicator. If you are interested, you can find the links on my website on the descriptions. Take care, my friends, manage your risks, and stay safe.